Hi, Stephen here from INEXTERIORS Painters and Decorators, and you're watching INEXTERIORS TV. In this video we're going to be filling around a light switch. If you would like to purchase some of the similar tools that I use for this task, please feel free to check out the links in the description below. And also, if you're planning on doing any other decorating works, please feel free to visit my tool store. The links are also in the description below. So with that said, let's do this. The tools and materials for this task is a flathead screwdriver, multi-tool scraper, filling knife, corkboard, dust brush, some Gyproc Easifill 60 and some worn down 80 grade sandpaper. This is the light switch area that we need to fill around. First of all, we start by unscrewing the light switch. But if you're not confident of doing this, either don't do it or make sure you turn the mains power off to the lights before you do it. Next, we need to give it a sand around and rake out any loose debris, and then give it a bit of a dust down before we start filling. If you would like to know how to mix Gyproc Easifill 60, there will be a video that pops up at the end of this video on an end screen. Right now we've got the Easifill mix, we're ready for giving it its first fill. So this is what I'm doing here, and I'm just slowly pushing it into the big gap here. Sorry about the bad angle, and the camera goes a bit blurry here as well. Once it's dry, we're ready for just running a bit of sandpaper around it just to make sure nothing's protruding. Then we're ready for giving it its second fill. Remember, the cleaner you fill, the less there is to sand. Once the Easifill's dry, give it a sand down, a dust off, and then it's ready for painting. And the reason why I've got masking tape around this metal light switch is because I don't want to get overspray on it when I'm using the roller. And here it is, all finished. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can get notified of when I release my next video. Remember, it is free. Also, if you want to leave a comment in the comment section, please do so, because that's how we all learn and grow. Thank you very much for watching, and take care.